Good morning, everyone out there in YouTube land. How's everything going? So, deep breath. Getting ready to start my day, but I want to do another taste test video. Today we're going to be taste testing from Dunkin' Donuts. Excuse my steering wheel. The blueberry matcha ice latte and the matcha powdered donut. They're supposed to go together. Last time we tried the sesame toast, you guys, you know, they're doing a new spring menu at the Dunkin' Donuts. So this is what the blueberry, I would not imagine the blueberry and matcha went together. It's got these, I don't know if that's undissolved powder. So we'll give this a good stir. We'll see how this is, blueberry and matcha together. It's actually very good. If you get it with the oat milk, it's really good. Who would have thought matcha and blueberry really good together? That is excellent. Now, it's time for us to try. Is it time for St. Patrick's Day? So now we have the matcha, and there's powder everywhere. So I'm going to do this as my screen capture. Powder. Okay, the powdered green matcha donut. Okay, so what they've done is they've taken a glazed donut and they've poured matcha powder on it. That's all. You can't even really taste the matcha. And I have matcha all over my coat. I don't understand why the powder doesn't stick to the donut. It's a glazed donut. Sorry. So, I mean, if you like glazed donuts, I guess. And if you're feeling festive for St. Patrick's Day. It doesn't have any kind of filling or any kind of other taste to it. I wonder why. Could it be that Dunkin' Donuts is doing the matcha donut, latte, and avocado toast that are all green for St. Patrick's Day? Is it possible? I think there's more matcha powder on me and in the bag than there is on the donut. Well, I like doing these reviews for you because it gives me a chance to eat a donut. Can you guys see in there? Look at all the matcha powder. Anyway, and in here, I don't think that's matcha powder clumps. I don't think it is. It could be. I don't know. But it's good. It's really good. So I would say try the green. Absolutely try the green. The matcha blueberry latte with oat milk. Try that. It's really good. and or any milk that you want. I happen to like oat milk. The donut, I mean, if you're gonna be there anyway, you might as well get it, but I wouldn't be super expecting anything spectacular. I'm tongue-tied. I wouldn't be expecting anything super spectacular because it's just a glazed donut with green matcha powder, which does not have that much flavor, sprinkled on the top. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Shopping and Sense, and I will see you all in a future video. But until then, goodbye everyone out there in YouTube land.